Everyone, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So kids, today we will be studying the chapter 12, which name is The Joy of Giving. So kids, today we will be studying about the story, The Happy Prince. A long time ago, in a city of Europe, there stood in the middle of the square a statue of a young prince. So, in the city of Europe, in the middle of the square, square means एक बहुत ही rushy market होता है. There was a statue of a young prince. It was covered from head to toe in the fine gold leaves. The prince statue was totally covered with the fine gold leaves. So the eyes of the prince were two shining blue sapphires, and on the hilt of his sword glittered a brilliant red ruby. So जो उनकी eyes थी, that was the blue sapphires, the blue stones, and the hilt of the sword, जो hilt का जो upper top वाला जो part होता है, that was there was a ruby. So he was called the Happy Prince. The statue was called the Happy Prince. As summer came to an end, the birds began to fly south to warmer lands. So the summer was coming and the birds began to fly south to warmer lands. जो birds थे वो south से warmer lands की तरफ जा रहे थे for taking some warmth. So one night a swallow flew over the city. Seeing a statue on a tall column, he thought it would provide a safe place to sleep. So one night what happened, a swallow flew over the city. A swallow was flying over the city and he saw a statue, and he thought that it would a safe place to sleep and to take rest. So he flew down to the feet of the Happy Prince. So he go and he kept himself in the feet of the Happy Prince. So however, as he settled down to sleep, a large drop of water fell on him. When he was sleeping in the statue in the feet of the Happy Prince, he thought that a large drop of water fell on him. He looked up and saw that the eyes of the Happy Prince were filled with water. He looked up, he looked at the prince's statue, and he saw that the Happy Prince's eyes were filled with tears. So the swallow flew up to take a closer look, and the Happy Prince spoke. And the swallow flew up to the Happy Prince's face, and he spoke to the Happy Prince that when I was alive, Happy Prince said that when he was alive, he had a human heart. He said, I lived in a palace and I was very happy. He said that when he was alive, he had a human heart and he lived in a palace and he was so happy. I never saw or asked what lay beyond the palace walls. So I lived and so I died. So he said to the swallow that he never saw he never saw about beyond the walls, that what was going on in the kingdom or what, and he never asked to the people that what was the people doing out of the walls, out of the palace walls. So I lived and so I died. So he said to the swallow that इसी तरह से मैं रहा हूँ and so I died, और इसी तरह से he was dead, he died. So but that was not the end of me. As you can see, I live in this form and now I can see all the misery in my city. So he said that it was not end of him. He as you can see, he said to the swallow, I live in this form. He said that I live in the statue form, and now he can see the misery in the whole city. Miseries means all the sadness, grief, all the problems which was going on in the city. So although my heart is made of lead, I can still feel and empathize with those who are miserable. So he said that although his heart has made of lead, but he can feel the miseries of people. Some distance from here, in a little street, there lives a woman. Her little boy has fever and is asking for oranges, but she has no money to buy him oranges. Swallow will take you the ruby from my sword and give it to the woman. So he said to Swallow that from some distance from here, in a little street, एक छोटी सी गली में, there was a woman who lived in a small cottage, and her little boy has a fever and he he has no money for for taking care of him. So he wants to buy some oranges so that his boy can so that she can take care of her boy, her son. So he said to Cello that, will you take the ruby of my sword and give it to the woman? So it was very cold out there, but I will do as you ask. So he said by listening all these words, by listening all the miseries, तो सेलो ने कहा, प्रिंस से दैट इट वॉज वेरी कोल्ड आउटसाइड, बहुत ठंड है बाहर, बट ही विल डू एज यू टोल्ड हिम, said the swallow. So he loosened the ruby from the sword, he flew it and left it on the woman's table. So he flew, by taking that ruby, he flew to the woman's house and left the ruby on the woman's table. So when the swallow returned to the happy prince, he said, isn't it strange? I feel quite warm although the night is cold. So he said to Cello, the happy prince said to Cello that isn't it strange कि ये अजीब बात नहीं है, I feel quite very warm. He was feeling very warm although the night is very cold. That is because you have done a good deed, said the happy prince. So happy prince ने कहा ये इसलिए है because you have done a great job, you have done a good job. So the next day the Cello said, today I must fly to Egypt to join my family and friends. So next day Cello ने कहा कि अब मुझे इजिप्ट जाना है, अपनी फैमिली और मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो मेरा वहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हैं. The happy prince said, Cello, please stay one more night. I can see a young student in a room. He is so cold and hungry that he cannot write. Please take one of the sapphires from my eyes and give it to him. So happy prince ने Cello से कहा कि please एक रात के लिए और रुक जाओ. Can you stop for one more night? And he said to the Cello that there was a student who cannot write because of hunger. So उसने कहा, हैप्पी प्रिंस ने कहा कि तुम मेरा जो एक सफ़ायर है, एक ब्लू डायमंड है, वो लेकर चले जाओ एंड उसको जाकर दे दो. The next night the swallow gave the other sapphire to a poor girl who was selling matches in the street. And जो next sapphire जो बचा था उसकी आई में, वो उसने, जो swallow था उसने एक poor girl को जाके दे दिया जो कि street में who was selling matches in the street. When the swallow returned, the happy prince said, I cannot see now, swallow. Would you fly over the city and tell me what you see? So next time when the swallow returned to the happy prince, he said to the swallow that he cannot see now because दोनों जो sapphires थे उसके दोनों जो blue stones थे वो जा चुके थे, उन्होंने बहुत good deed के लिए वो दे दिए थे. So उन्होंने कहा that would you fly for me and you can tell me what is going on in the city. So the swallow flew over the busy city and carefully observed all below him. He saw poverty-stricken families and their starving children. He reported all he had seen to the happy prince. So as the happy prince ordered, happy prince said to the swallow fly over all over the city, and he observed many miserable families who was suffering many problems and who was starving. The children was starving, and he told all the things which was going on in the city to the happy prince. I am covered with gold, the happy prince said. So happy prince ने कहा that मैं पूरा का पूरा, मेरा जो स्टैचू है पूरा गोल्ड से बना हुआ है. Take it all and give it to the poor. The swallow took all the gold leaves from the happy prince one by one until the statue looked grey and dull. So happy prince ने कहा that I am fully covered with gold, fine gold leaves, and उन्होंने जो swallow था उसको order दिया that take it for the leaf and give it to the poor. So जो swallow था उसने वही किया, उसने एक एक करके सारी gold leaves जो थी वो निकाल ली and तब तक निकाल ली until the statue looked like grey and dull, क्योंकि जो fine gold leaves थी वो सारी निकाली जा चुकी थी और statue में सिर्फ पूरा का पूरा वो grey बचा हुआ था, cemented रह गया था वो. As the day passed, it got colder and started snowing. जैसे ही दिन बीतते गए और बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड होता गया एंड स्टार्टेड स्नोइंग, बट स्नो भी होना स्टार्ट हो गई थी एंड जो स्वेलो थे, स्वेलोज को वार्मर प्लेस बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, बट द स्वेलो वुड नॉट लीव द हैप्पी प्रिंस बिकॉज ही लव्ड हिम टू वेल बाय नाउ. So now the swallow would not leave him because he was also loving the happy prince because of his good deeds, because of his good intentions. He grew colder and colder. When he knew he was about to die, he pecked the happy prince on the cheek and fell down dead. So when he got to know that he was about to die, he was going to the happy prince statue and fell down dead. The next morning the mayor saw the statue and exclaimed, "Dear me, how shabby and dull the happy prince looks." The next morning when the mayor arrived at the in front of the statue, he said that how shabby and dirty the prince's statues look like. So he ordered that the statue be pulled down and melted to make a new one. So he ordered to the people that जो prince का जो statue है, he should be melted and make a new one. The mayor and his councillors argued about whose statue should be made with the metal, and the mayor and his councillors were arguing about it that अब किसका statue बनना चाहिए. When the men melted the statue, they found a heart-shaped object that would not melt, and they threw the heart onto the rubbish dump where the dead swallow already lay. And जब उन लोगों ने उसके statue को melt किया, they found a heart-shaped object, and it was not melting. It wasn't melting. The heart was thrown on the rubbish dump where the dead swallow already lay. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God, high up in heaven. Heaven में से God ने कहा कि मुझे इस city में से सबसे ज़्यादा precious चीज़ ला कर दो, precious thing ला कर दो. An angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. So जो angel थी वो जो happy prince का leaden heart था वो लेकर आई और जो dead bird का body था वो लेकर आई. God said, "In my garden of paradise, this little bird shall sing over evermore, and in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me." So God ने कहा एंजल से कि तुम बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लेकर आई हो, you have taken a very precious thing for me, and this little bird shall sing in my paradise, in my heaven, and the heart of happy prince shall praise me over in my city of gold. So that was the story of the happy prince. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.